Hello everyone, this is Justin Kreps from Kreps Service Station in Spring Mills, Pennsylvania, and today we are accessorizing a Sector 550. We're putting a soft cab on, and we're going to go ahead and show you how we do it, which is a little bit different than the instructions. So first off, I start off by removing the roof and removing the upper part of the windshield. You're going to notice how I removed the windshield. I took the screws out. I did not take the clasps off. I do that for a reason, which we'll see later in the video. So just take the screws off, and let's go ahead and head to the side. Okay, so the next thing that I do is I put a piece of Velcro on the back up here and another piece down here. That is exactly per the instructions. Now, where I start to change to what the instructions say, if you notice right here, and then if we come up here, I actually take and I cut sections of Velcro, and I get my measurement by just wrapping it around the rollover protection. And I put 6 pieces on each side, which I will cut the excess off. I left it on for the video so you guys could see it. And then there's one right here. So that's basically step number 1 is cut yourself 14 sections. You will need more, but the first step is to cut 14 sections, and then just go ahead and stick them on here. Stick one right in around here, and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, you're gonna notice that on all the wraps around the frame here that I do, I put zip ties on. That really helps secure the Velcro and the glue to the wraps, so it won't ever come off in the future. Okay, so the next part is we put the back section on, and you're gonna notice there's 2 little flaps here, and there's gonna be one on the other side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap, again, the Velcro out around here, and we're gonna zip tie it, and then we'll secure these other ones. And then, but when you're putting this on, you wanna be careful right here. You know, this is where your bolt comes down through to secure the cab. So you wanna put this on. There's a little slit. I know it's gonna be hard to see it on the camera, but you'll see it when you have the cab, and you just wanna line that up with the hole, and that's how you put the back section on. And that is how you install the side. Okay, so we have the first side on. Both sides will go on exactly the same. And we're gonna notice that we have all these smaller Velcros here. This is the reason why I said take off the windshield like this. Don't take these off, so we know exactly where they are. So when we set these up on here, we know exactly where to put them. And then we also have the flap right here, which we'll have to cut the Velcro, and we'll do a couple more wraps around the frame right here and get that all set up and on, and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, on this step on installing the sides, we're just gonna be finishing up here. The only thing you're gonna do is, per the instructions, put the Velcro on right where the instructions say, and I do something a little bit different here. When it comes to this piece right here that sticks to the door, there's little magnets in here that actually like sticks on. But what can happen is over time, the glue can come off, and then what happens is you'll lose this piece. So what I do is I just drill a hole through the door, and I put a machine screw through there and some fender washers to hold that on so it can't ever come off. So it actually makes it pretty nice that you can just take it off just like that. That's how you put the side on. Okay, so the final part of putting the soft cab on is attaching the roof and sending the bolts through. As earlier I said, there's a slit that's cut through this reinforcement plastic piece, and you want to line it up with this hole. So in the final step here, you want to take, and I take a small screwdriver, kind of go back and forth. I know it's difficult to see it on the camera, but I'm just right there. I'm going to poke through, and now I got that through. I'm going to take a bigger screwdriver now, and basically just make a bigger hole that the bolt can go through. And let's go ahead and put the bolt through and put the nut on, and you're going to leave that loose for right now, and then get the other side on. You're going to do the other side the exact same way, and then you're going to put all the roof bolts back in and then tighten them up. Okay, everyone, now that we have the roof and the windshield and the cab completely on, so I want to take some time and thank you for watching the video today. If the information here was a help, please like the video, share the video, and we just want to make sure you know that the soft cab does come with instructions from HiSun. This video is to only supplement the instructions, so it's not to replace them, but just to supplement them. And if you guys want to purchase a soft cab you saw in the video today, you give us a call, ask for Hailey, ask for my daughter, and she can get you a cab out in the mail. And you can visit our website, www.krepsservicestation.com. Thank you so much for watching the video today.